The AYANEO Pocket DS is being positioned as the world's first clamshell dual-screen Android handheld gaming console, bringing a unique form factor to the portable gaming market. This device combines a classic flip design with modern hardware, targeting both retro gaming enthusiasts and those looking for a versatile mobile gaming experience. At the heart of the Pocket DS is the Qualcomm Snapdragon G3x Gen 2 gaming platform, built on a 5nm process with a peak TDP of up to 15W. The processor features a 1+3+4 core architecture with the Cryo Prime Ultra core reaching up to 36 GHz, paired with an Adreno GPU that supports up to 144 Hz refresh rates. Memory configurations range from 8GB to 16GB of LPDDR5 XRAM running at 8,533 Mbps, combined with UFS 4.0 storage options from 128GB up to 1TB, though the base 128GB model uses UFS 3.1. To keep temperatures in check during extended gaming sessions, AYANEO has implemented a PC-level turbofan cooling system with a large copper heatsink and cooling fins. The dual-screen setup is the defining feature here. The main display is a 7-inch OLED panel with 1920 by 1080 resolution at a 16:9 aspect ratio, offering a 165 Hz refresh rate with 5 selectable options down to 60 Hz. It reaches 800 nits peak brightness, supports HDR, covers 90% of the DCI-P3 color gamut, and has a 150% sRGB color gamut volume. The secondary screen is a 5-inch LCD with a 4:3 aspect ratio at 1024 by 768 resolution, featuring 256 ppi, 100% sRGB coverage, and 550 nits peak brightness. This retro-focused ratio is specifically designed for classic gaming and auxiliary functions. An infinitely adjustable hinge with smooth resistance supports multiple viewing angles up to 180 degrees maximum opening. The control layout includes a standard gamepad configuration with D-pad, ABXI buttons using fully membrane micro switches, TMR medium joysticks for high-precision analog control, and Hall-effect linear triggers. Dual X-axis linear motors provide vibration feedback, and there's a 6-axis gyroscope for motion controls. The master controller system offers 8 configurable functions, including joystick and trigger sensitivity adjustments, vibration intensity control, customizable buttons, gyroscope aiming, turbo switching, macro options, and performance presets. The device features a CNC full metal front panel with an artistic industrial design that prioritizes both aesthetics and ergonomics. Available in shadow black, starry yellow, and retro gray, it measures 179, 8 by 101, 8 by 25 mm, expanding to 34, 4 mm at the grip area, and weighs approximately 540 grams. Build quality emphasizes a premium texture with refined tactile feel in a minimalist form factor. Audio comes from high-quality dual front-firing stereo speakers positioned to direct sound toward the user, enhancing immersion during gameplay and media consumption. For connectivity, there's a full-function USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port supporting up to 10 Gbps data transfer and DisplayPort 1. For video output for external displays, a microSD card slot rated at 100 MB/s for expandable storage, plus Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.3. The power button integrates fingerprint recognition for security. Battery capacity sits at 8,000 mAh with PD fast charging support, designed to handle the dual-screen configuration during extended sessions. Performance modes include full power, balanced game, streaming, and customizable profiles to adapt to different usage scenarios. The software side runs Android 13 with AYANEO's AYA Space Front-End Management and AYA Home Launcher. The dual-screen interaction system offers 3 display modes: dual-screen independent display, main screen only, and secondary screen only, with a focus lock feature for auto switching or locking either screen. A dedicated AYANEO DS launcher is currently in development, promising dual screen optimization with features like an app drawer, secondary screen card, style multitasking, quick management panels, brightness and volume controls on the secondary display, real-time performance monitoring showing FPS, temperature and power draw, plus controller mapping and quick settings widgets. Additional keys include a dual screen key for quick management and a navigation key for accessing the Windows game menu. The AYANEO Pocket DS presents an interesting proposition for those seeking dual screen functionality in a handheld Android gaming device, combining flagship-level mobile hardware with a unique clamshell design and retro gaming focus.